Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's wrap up this episode with a small project. Every episode will be accompanied with the end of the episode project. This is the first episode project. We are going to build a personal info card generator, build a Python script that store the profile data as currently typed variables name, age, job title, salary, then print it in the screen formatted card using the string. Cover every concept from this episode in a cohesive script. What are the things we have covered? We have covered command line, docstring, then print functions we have covered, then we have covered data types, then we have covered non-type, different data types, 40 different data types we have covered. Then what else we have covered? Then declaring the variables, then isinstance and type, and convert type conversion we have covered, then string formatting, that is print output formatting, use ID to inspect the memory. Then this one we are going to keep it aside because we are not into the error handling at all, exception handling at all. Then follow snake case for naming conversions and handle none with the none check. This is the output we are expecting. A small output like this. These are the things we are going to do. Okay, what to cover? Command and docstring, declare variables with correct types, use these instance for validation, convert types explicitly, use ID to inspect, handle none with this none check, format the output with strings and all. Let's go ahead and start one by one. This is a very small project. I don't want to go deeper into this one. I will just copy paste the commands and explain them. Let's get started. First thing is I will do it in this Jupyter notebook. Then we will move to the complete code. I will move to a Python file, combine them together. First thing, this is command and docstring. Throughout this small project, we are going to follow this. Whenever there is a docstring is there, we are going to put them into docstring. Whenever there is a command line is there, we are going to command using the hash. Suppose to keep anything in the docstring, we have to give like this. This is the personal info card generator. This line of code is not going to get executed, but this is mandatory to keep this one as the docstring for any Python program. We'll get instruction like this if you execute. Okay. And the next thing is declare variable with correct types. What are the variables we need? We need the first name, age, job title, salary, is hiring, and GitHub link. Age, a false age I can give. No, age is an integer. We have to give the age something like 35. Job title, this is again a string. Salary is hiring. So we can give a boolean value and GitHub none. This is what the value I have to run. Let's try to execute and see whether there is any error or not. No, there is no error. No error. These are the variable I have created. Executing the code. Okay, fine. Let's restart it once. So that issue will be resolved. Now we are going to use this isinstance for this data validation. We have to use this f string for this print function. What is print f string? Suppose if you want to print some information and I need to add some variables from external. Suppose hi, I want to greet myself. Hi, this one. Instead of giving the person this name hard coded, I can just add a curly braces here and pass the variable name. Okay, let's see whether it is going to print or not. Oh, no. It should execute. Oh, the error here is we had to pass this f string. We had to convert into f string. If you execute like this, we will get hi and we'll shift it then from here. We have the variable here. This variable value will be passed inside this curly braces, this placeholder here. So we'll get up. This is what the f string is. So we have covered the second one of the other one. Format output with f string. For the beginning onwards, we are following the same. So we have this output. Once you start executing, these doc strings are not going to be shown in the output. Okay. Now we have declared the variables and use the isinstance for the data validation. Let's go ahead and see the next one. The next use case is convert the type explicitly. That is for the type conversion to integer and float. Let's go ahead and execute that one. Okay, now we have this information. Let's go ahead and see this type conversion. Age as string. If you want to convert age into string, then we have to use the string of that particular. It will convert the integer to string. Salary as integer, we have to convert that float value. If you see this one, this is the float value. If you want to convert into integer, then we have to pass the integer of the int of salary. Age as float, then we have to convert this integer value into float. Then float of which we will get a float value or decimal value. Then we can print all of them, and let's see what is output we are getting now. Yeah, this is the type validation. The now explicit type conversion. Age of integer is 34. Age of string. This is the integer value. This is the string value. And float value, salary float value. Initially it was float value. Now it is converted into integer value. Age is float from the initially the age was integer. Now it converted into float value. So we have printed out this information. Let's go ahead and see the next stage. Okay, next thing what we're going to see is the memory validation. We have seen this id command, id function to find out the memory of that particular object. Suppose we want to see the memory of that particular object, we can use this id value. ID of that particular variable, it will give that memory where in memory where it is saved. That memory value it is an integer value. Let's go ahead and see this output. See this full name is saved in this particular memory. Age is saved in this particular memory area. Salary is saved in this particular memory. These are some integer value associated with this memory. This is unique for each variable. Now, before printing the output, we have one more functionality to be checked. That is called the handle none with isNone check. We have seen this none is a special kind of data type in Python. It has its own functionality in the Python programming. None handling. In my name, there is no middle name, only first name and last name. Okay. Suppose I'm going to check whether there's a middle name is there or not. If middle name is none, display middle name was not applicable. Otherwise, middle name equal to middle name. It is going to print the middle name if it is available or not. Yeah, middle name is not applicable. That means there is no middle name in my name. Finally, we want to print the output. Let's go ahead and format the output perfectly with what it is given here. We have to print something like this. Let's go ahead and print this. Let's create a new cell, code cell. This is what we are going to print. We have all the information here. Now we are going to print format output in a beautiful way. This is the personal info card. It has created beautiful personal info card where we have my name, my age, job title, salary, and middle name. This is what all about the project. We have used all the concepts we studied. We have used the docstring, we have used the command line, we have used for string formatting, and all those things we have used. We hope you enjoyed this project video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.